Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Tinder account banned. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is you can be able to use your Tinder app. So for this, what you need to do is head over and open up your Safari or your any browser, and once you do that, what you need to do is simply on the search bar type in Tinder Help Center and then tap on go. And once you do that, here what you need to do is search for the submit a request Tinder link and then tap on it. And once you tap on it, you'll be seeing something like this or a page like this. And now on the submit request, you'll be seeing a question, what can we help with? Simply click on it and then select trouble with account login. And once you do that, here under what's going on, select can login, my account was banned. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is scroll down and there you will find your email address. Just simply fill up your email address, then your phone number, and then on the description simply explain the problem briefly that you are facing. And once that's done, you can also add in attachments like screenshots of the problem. And once you complete the process, all you gotta do is scroll down, and on the bottom of the page you'll be seeing the submit button. Simply tap on it, and once you do that, after a couple of business days, the Tinder will reach out to you and solve your issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.